As of without a doubt the most recent update, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at around $0.5553, which in every practical sense is very critical. The cost of 1 ADA would sort of reach as certainly high as $0.000773 United States dollars by 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. There by and large is especially potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as most certainly high as $0.0051 toward 2030 in an especially huge manner's end. In a bullish situation, Cardano could for the most part outperform the $0.4115 mark for 2050, exhibiting in every way that really matters, likely vertical energy in an unobtrusive way. Cardano, ADA, basically is expected to truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.2740 constantly 2040, or so they especially thought. Starting around 11 February 2024, Cardano truly is exchanging at 0. ADA especially has a genuinely complete market cap of $19,680,843,366, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $521,606,920 in a significant manner. This for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, extremely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, which generally is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Cardano most certainly be by and large worth in 2024 in a fundamentally huge manner? Is Cardano an essentially wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024, especially in spite of prevalent thinking? Will ADA cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high in an especially huge manner? These by and large are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024, as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the ADA cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.7107, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to especially be $0.6911 in a truly significant manner. Besides, ADA can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.7885, which sort of is very huge. ADA value gauge February 2024. In February 2024 the cost of Cardano especially is estimated to in a real sense be at around a really least worth of $0.4648, showing that as of the barely the most recent update, Cardano fundamentally is exchanging at around $0.5553. Or so they generally thought. The Cardano value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a kind of limit of $0.5284, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.5138 in United States dollars incredibly. Cardano value estimate WALK 2024. In WALK 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to be at around at least $0.5096, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.5541, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.5292 in United States dollars, further appearance how besides ADA can truly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.7885 in an exceptionally huge manner. Cardano value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the greatest cost for Cardano could stretch around $0.5806, showing how ADA value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is gauged to explicitly be at around a by and large least worth of $0.4648, exhibiting that as of the essentially the most recent update, Cardano certainly is exchanging at around $0.5553. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in April 2024 certainly is $0.5255, with a sort of typical cost of $0.5450. Cardano, ADA, value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Cardano cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $0.5418, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.6024, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.5614 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is supposed to basically be at around at least $0.5530. Genuinely further appearance how Cardano value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Cardano especially is supposed to for the most part be at around a by and large least of $0.5530. Cardano cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $0.6304 with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.5726 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. ADA value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Cardano most certainly is estimated to basically be at around a by and large least worth of $0.5760, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The Cardano value worth can really arrive at an especially limit of $0.6534, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.5955 in United States dollars. Further appearance how Cardano value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to generally be at around a fundamentally least of $0.5530. Further appearance how Cardano value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is supposed to basically be at around an essentially least of $0.5530. ADA value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano most certainly is gauged to be at around a sort of least worth of $0.5949 in a truly significant manner. The Cardano value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.6772, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.6193 in United States dollars, which essentially is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is somewhat anticipated to arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.6441, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.7019 and an essentially least of $0.6197, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. ADA value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Cardano really is determined to by and large be at around a base worth of $0.6439, or so they sort of thought. The Cardano value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $0.7277, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.6634 in United States dollars in an especially large way. Cardano, ADA, value expectation November 2024. The cost for Cardano in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.6655 and $0.7609, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.6900, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano